Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a trick by which you can actually use ChatGPT Pro plan for completely free for 1 month. So the trick is very simple. You would require a VPN for this. So you can use pure VPN or any kind of VPN, which is good. So you require a simple VPN. So now simply search here ChatGPT and you would require a Google account. So you can log in with a free new account or old account can also work. So by default, if you are from India, as I am from India, you will not see this claim offer right here. So now, if you do want to see the claim offer button, you do need to upgrade or connect to a location. So I found out Japan is a great location. It is working. Simply search the location and connect the VPN through Japan. So as soon as you are connected right here, simply refresh your screen. As you can see, we are connected through Tokyo, Japan. So this is our VPN. And again, if you refresh now your chat GPT, so now if you see, you will see this button right here at the bottom screen, claim offer. So you just need to click this button here, claim offer. As soon as you click this, you will be seeing this plan. You can try the plus plan for free for 1 month. These actually offers comes for different countries. So at this moment of time, you can connect with any country. It can be Japan. You can try out if you have a VPN. You can try out different countries. The process remains the same. So you click on this button, claim free offer. The pro plan is, as you can see, it's $3,000 and you get this for zero. Every model you will get inside this for totally free. As you can see, all these things you will get, and just click on claim free offer. After that, you just need to add your credit card information. So just wait at it is getting your plan ready. So one requirement more, you have to have a valid credit card for, so just starting your plus plan for totally free. So right here you will enter your credit card information, the card number, expiration date, CVC number, everything. After you added all this information, click on subscribe button and automatically your the Pro Plus plan will start. It will be having this free trial, as you can see. You can cancel any time in this 1 month if you are not. They will remind you once before your trial ends so that you can delete your credit card. So in this easy way, you can use the Plus plan for totally free for 1 month. So this is the trick that I found out. You should have at least a quality VPN. Just connect with the location other than India. So other than Asia, just connect the location. After that, you will see this button right here that I showed you, claim offer. As soon as you do this, click on this button, you will see this claim free offer. So after you add your credit card information, you can click on subscribe. So after that, you will be able to use all the plus plan as a free trial. So this was a trick. Definitely use it, and please hit that like button, subscribe to channel, and also comment whether you find this trick useful or not.